Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to get some microscopic readings of a CNC machined part just to see how the surface roughness or RA reading changes between before blasting it and then after blasting it with two different media. We're going to be looking at glass bead media and aluminum oxide 220. So as you can see here, we did already take the surface roughness reading, and right now it's reading at 2.84 micrometers. We're going to go blast with two different media, take two more readings, and just see how the surface is affected. All right, so I just blasted the CNC component with glass bead. As you can see, I blasted this half, and it removed the machine marks very quickly. I only blasted it for just a few seconds using glass bead, and it ended up being very, very bright and smooth. All right, so we're doing a microscopic reading on the component after blasting it with glass bead in a VH800 fully loaded. And we're looking at the surface roughness value. And as we can see, before it was 2.84, now it's 2.89, which is roughly about the same surface roughness. So we didn't change the surface of the component. We just removed the machine marks and made it a very smooth, uniform surface. All right, so I just got done blasting this side of the CNC'd component. We blasted it in an 800 Pro using aluminum oxide 220. It left a very, very smooth finish, just like the glass bead did, but it is a little bit of a duller finish, a darker color. That's the color of the media. It's gonna be a bit darker, but it did get rid of those machine marks very nicely. So now we're gonna go do a microscopy reading on it. So we're doing microscope reading on the CNC part after blasting it in the 800 with aluminum oxide 220. And aluminum oxide is a solid, more jagged media, so it is going to leave a bit of a rougher surface roughness profile. So we went up about 1.32 micrometers roughly in the surface roughness profile, which really isn't that bad. But you can really see from the image that it is a little rougher. Still, we're able to get rid of those machine marks and leave a very, very smooth, uniform profile. So overall, glass bead is going to be leaving a brighter, smoother finish than aluminum oxide 220 would. Aluminum oxide 220 might be a better option if you're looking to put a coating on your CNC part. Glass bead would probably be a better option if you're just wanting to leave it bare the way that it is. So with all of the different media that we offer, different wet blasting applications for CNC components, we've had a lot of success throughout this industry where CNC businesses are using wet blasting as an alternative for surface finishing and surface prep without any dust, chemicals, heat, or damage. And if you're a CNC business and you're interested in possibly using wet blasting in your applications, then feel free to send in a sample part. We do offer free sample testing for businesses to demonstrate how this can elevate your process at your business. And if you'd like more information on that, visit our website, or you can call us directly at our office, 828-202-5563.